Hello everyone. My name is Piyush Ningle and I'm going to represent you Enforce Matrix and Grand Strategy. So let's begin. Enforce Matrix. So what is Enforce Matrix? Enforce Matrix or product or market opportunity matrix is an matrix that focused on present and new products and markets, which has four combinations. Named after the inventor, the father of strategic management, Igor Enforce, and the first published in 1957 in Harvard Business Review. The four combinations: market development, diversification, market penetration, and product development. The y axis represent markets and the x axis represent products. What is penetration strategy? Market penetration strategy is when we sell and present product to our present market. Competition should be in pricing, promotion, and distribution. Example: Coke Diet. Coca-Cola helps two people fight obesity in the US, and Diet constantly offers people. What is market development strategy? Market development strategy is a strategy where we sell our present product in new market and gain new range of customer to get more sales. Like example, vanilla flavor of Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola expand its vanilla version in UK market after the US. Product development strategy. Product development strategy is a strategy where we develop new product and sell them in our present market. Example, Fanta. Coca-Cola created new product as Fanta and sell it to the market to increase. Diversification strategy. Diversification strategy is a strategy where we develop a new product and target them in a new market. Like example, 1.5 liter of Coca-Cola bottle. Coca-Cola created 1.5 liter bottle to target household that only one or two people. Now let's begin to grand strategy. What is grand strategy? Grand strategy are the decision or choices of long-term plans from available alternatives. They involve expansion, quality improvement, market development, innovation, liquidation, etc. It is based on analysis of internal and external environment. Classification of grand strategy. There are four classification of grand strategy. There are stability strategy, expansion strategy, retrenchment strategy, and combination strategy. The first is stability strategy. A strategy is stability strategy when a firm attempt to maintain its statu quo when existing level of efforts and it is satisfied with only incremental growth or improvement by marginal changing in business and contracts its resources where it has or can develop rapidly and meaningful competitive advantage in market in the narrowest possibility product market scope. Expansion growth strategy. Growth strategy are means by which an organization plan to achieve the increased level of objective that much higher than its past achievement level. Like example, Nirma Limited and Reliance Limited. Retrenchment strategy. It is a defensive strategy in which a firm having declining performance decided to improve its performance through contraction in the activities, that is, reducing scope of business by total or partial withdrawal of present business. Like example, a corporate hospital decided to focus on only specialty treatment and realize higher revenue by commitment to cases, which are typically less profitable to deal with. Combination strategy. Combination strategy is not an independent classification, but it is a combination of different strategies: stability, growth, retrenchment in various forms. A Tube Investment of India (TI), a Murugappa group of company, has created a strategy alliance in its three major business, that is tube, cycle, and strips. The grand strategy matrix. There are four quadrants. The first has market development, market penetration, product development, forward integration, backward integration, horizontal integration, and related diversification. The second has market development, market penetration, product development, horizontal integration, destitute, and liquidation. The third has retrenchment, related diversification, unrelated diversification, diversitude, and liquidation. And the four has related diversification, unrelated diversification, and joint venture. So, thank you.